Hi guys, this is Rob from Iceboxauto. I'm just going to show you an install we've done today, which is on a Nissan X-Trail. This is from our large screen and frame series. So obviously everything you see here from the silver panel, other than this and has a button, all comes with the system. So the screen and this frame and this little storage bit here comes with it. So I'll just zoom in. It's our Android 12 system. This is on the DHB range. There's a couple of other models you can choose from. As you can see, it's got Google Maps here. It's also got Bluetooth for phone book support. There's your application center here. As you can see, it's nice and swift because it's an 8-core processor. If you're looking down the 4-core 2 and 16, you might be a little bit compromised with the speed, but this is the 8-core, so as you can see, it's free from lag. It's really responsive. Okay, so you got your themes section here, which basically means you can upload any home page from this section here. So if you wanted to change this layout here, you could do it with that. There's your FM AM radio there, which has got RDS on it too. Go into the applications. This is just a few apps in the background settings. DAB radio, Chrome, DSP, which has got the DSP sound processor in the car, which you can fine tune your speaker system. Here's your Play Store here. So we're just going to wait for some updates to be completed on this before we download applications. Let's have a little look. Works with the steering wheel controls. Also works with the 360 cameras and the rear camera, which is original to the car. Let's have a little look. Okay, T-Link, Z-Link, CarPlay, Android Auto is included. YouTube. Okay, I'll just bring it to an end today, guys. If you've got any questions, give us a shout. Put the details down below in the description. Have a nice day. Thank you.